Okay, so welcome to the first tutorial for your whiteboard. This is just to get you up and started and show you a few bits and pieces that you can do. So first of all, we can click on the e-instruction tool. This will automatically appear once you've plugged in your smartboard. And we've got a menu, and I'll work through some of these in a later tutorial, but first of all we need to calibrate our smartboard. So we click here. So if your smartboard's plugged in correctly, okay, I haven't got mine plugged in at the moment, but we'll have a symbol here with our smartboard. We click on that and then all these will light up, and then we can click on this symbol to calibrate the smartboard, and then we're off and running. So once we've done that, my advice would be to open our workspace up, and this will give us access to our menu toolbar. And in a later tutorial I'll show you how you can customize this toolbar to how you want it to look. So we can increase the size of these symbols and decide which tools we want to be on here and which we don't. Okay, so first of all, just so you can use your whiteboard as a normal whiteboard that you would have anywhere in your room, we've got all these different aspects here. What I'm going to do is click on the cursor, and then this will allow us to do certain things on here. But once we select the pen to use as a smartboard, we can select our color. As you can see, select different colors. We can also select what sort of line we want, so we can just change a line there. We can change the thickness, so if we're writing something, we might start off over here. Okay, and we might want to change the thickness. Okay, a little bit neat. I'm just using my mouse at the moment. Okay, but obviously you'll be using the interactive pen. Again, really useful to insert a picture in here, and you can mark it up by using the arrows. Okay, quite a useful tool. So just with those things, you're more or less up and running, just using the whiteboard as a normal whiteboard. We can highlight things using the key there, so I can go over here and highlight certain things. I can erase, so go over. I can change the size of the erase by it there to save me a job. Okay, I can go back over here and press undo to undo those things, or I can just press cross and that will get rid of everything I've just done on here. So that's a very quick tutorial on how to use this space as a normal writing board, and you can just keep on adding new pages. As you can see, we've changed it to number 2 now, and we can add another one to number 3, and we can keep on doing that until a very high number. Okay, I hope that was useful just to get you started, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.